Welcome to Lifeolistic. Do you ever find yourself eating mindlessly in front of the TV or scrolling through your phone? It's easy to get caught up in distractions and lose track of what we're putting into our bodies. In today's video, we're going to talk about mindful eating and how it can help you nourish your body and soul. Mindful eating is all about being present and aware of what you're eating and how it's affecting your body and mind. Mindful eating is the antidote to mindless eating, and it can profoundly impact your overall health and well-being. It's not just about the food you eat, but also how you eat it. So let's dive into the benefits of mindful eating and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Improve digestion. Mindful eating helps to slow down your eating pace, allowing your digestive system to work more efficiently. This can reduce bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. Weight management. When you're eating mindfully, you're more aware of your hunger and fullness cues. This can prevent overeating and help you maintain a healthy weight. Better nutrition. By paying attention to what you're eating, you can make more informed choices about the foods you consume. This can lead to a more balanced and nutrient-dense diet. Reduced stress. Mindful eating can be a form of meditation, helping you to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Improved relationship with food. Mindful eating encourages you to have a healthier relationship with food, freeing you from guilt, shame, and emotional eating. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content and want to see more videos on mindfulness, health, and wellness, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any future videos that can help you live your best life. Alright, let's get back to the video. So, how can you incorporate mindful eating into your daily routine? Here are some tips. Slow down. Take your time when you're eating and chew your food thoroughly. Tune in. Pay attention to your body and how it's responding to the food you're eating. Minimize distractions. Try to eat in a calm and quiet environment without any distractions like TV or phones. Engage your senses. Notice the colors, textures, and flavors of the food you're eating. Be grateful. Take a moment to express gratitude for the food you're eating and the nourishment it provides. In conclusion, mindful eating is an important aspect of a healthy and holistic lifestyle. By being present and aware of what you're eating, you can nourish your body and soul. So try incorporating some of these tips into your daily routine and see how it impacts your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful or have any thoughts to share, please leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.